everyone, start off by drawing this face and then afterwards draw the rest of the body underneath it as such. Add a little bow to the front and then add the rest of the clothes underneath it. Draw a large skirt underneath it to make it look like a princess frock. Add this downward facing V shape and then afterwards add layers to this dress as such. Now continue to add the frills to it to make it look all the more better and then add as much detail to it as you possibly can. Now once you're done with this, add these bow shapes to the bottom as well. Now once you've added the bow shapes, continue on, add the hands, add the long hair flowing at the back and then add a crown for this girl. Now afterwards draw on the face, add the eyelashes and then add earrings as well. Color this in. Next, start off by doing a downward facing V, add a U underneath it and then add ears to it. Add the eyes by drawing two circular shapes and then afterwards add the details within it as well. Now after this, add eyelashes on either side, add a mouth and then add the neck underneath it. Now continue on and then draw the rest of this. Now add the top portion of it and then add the frock to it as well. Afterwards add the details. It should be like these dewdrops. Afterwards make this V shape, that is the opposite V shape, in order to make the rest of the frock and then make it as puffy as possible. Add as many layers to it as you can as well. Add bows to it, one below the other. Now continue on and add frills on either side of it. Now afterwards add the arms coming out on either end as well. Now add the hair for this little girl and then afterwards add a crown at the top. You may either add a crown or add a bow. As you can see, we have added a bow on this side. Now add these shapes all around. We have added some fruits, cherries and then flowers and diamonds as well. Color all of this in once you're done with it. We have colored the bow in red and then the fruits in red as well. Now we are also coloring the dress in blue for the most part and then we are coloring it in yellow. This will be like Snow White. Next, start off by taking a blue marker, then make these two vertical lines to it, fill it up, and then continue on and draw it. Add extensions to it on either side, as you can see we have done. Now on the top of this, using a black marker, make these new changes to it, add these vertical lines to it as well, which will be like hair. Continue on and then after you're done with this, then add a little white bow at the back. Now afterwards, using a black marker, draw these markings to it as well. Now add the arm on either side of it and then make it look like this woman is holding a lamp. Afterwards, add these markings on either side as well. Now color the lamp in a different color and then color the top portions of it in red. Polka dots in different colors all around at the top. Next, using a purple marker, add this shape to begin with and then fill it in with this purple marker. Now on the side, add these layers to it and then fill this in as well. Continue on and do so. Now after this, add the hair at the top and then using a black marker, fill this in. Now add lines to it as such, add as many as possible. Now once you're done with this, add as many lines as you can to the back. Now afterwards, using a black marker, outline this as well. Now continue on and then draw this design at the back of the hair as well. This will be a design for the hair. Now make it as detailed as possible. Next, start off by drawing these curvy lines on either side. At the top, add another line to it, add these lines underneath it. Add a U shape for the face and then add the ears on either side. Add the eyes and then the mouth to it as well. Now add the neck and then the rest of the body underneath it. Now draw only the top portion of the body, add the sides of the hair as well and the gaps present and color all of this in. Thank you for watching.